Good morning, everyone. Time to wake up. Who wants to go to the playground today?
Me! I want to go! Can we go now?
I always bring the first aid kit, just in case.
Everyone ready? Let's go to the playground.
Can I run ahead? Please, please!
Not now, Jack. Walk on the path. Look, there's the playground.
Wow, look at that slide!
Remember the rules. Walk, don't run. Be careful.
Can I go now?
Yes, but be careful.
I'm climbing up! Higher and higher! Wah! I'm going to slide! Watch me go! Jack, slow down a little.
Walk between slides.
Why?
Jack, please listen. Walk on the stairs.
Wait, it's so fun! Bam! Yeah! Bam! Yeah!
Stop, Jack. That's dangerous.
Oh, no!
Jack, I'll get the first aid kit.
Jack, are you okay?
It's okay. We're here. Let's clean it up.
It hurts so much.
You'll be fine, Jack. Just stay still. It's just a scrape, Jack. We'll clean it and put on a Band-Aid.
I don't like this. It hurts.
Hold still, Jack. The water is cold, but it will feel better soon.
Ow! Stings! Can I have the superhero Band-Aid? There. All protected.
Great job, Jack. You were brave. Running made your foot slip, Jack. That's why we walk. Walking keeps you safe.
I understand now. I'll walk instead of run.
You can play some more, but take it easy.
My knee feels okay. Let's try the swings. This is fun! And I'm being safe!
That's right. Nice and easy.
Whee! Hold on tight! I'm ready! Push me, Dad!
Okay, here we go.
I'm getting tired, but my knee feels much better. Good job today. You learned how to play safely.
Remember the rules. Walk, don't run.
I won't forget!
See you next time.
Same time next week. Be safe and have fun.